Rajya Sabha MP Sadanand Shet Tanavade raised concern over the rising cases of cyber fraud targeting tourists in Goa and major destinations during 0 hours in Rajya Sabha today. He pointed out the growing number of fake hotels and homestay bookings and digital payment scams, warning that such frauds pose a serious threat to tourist safety and India's tourism image. Tanavade urged the government to enforce strict KYC norms and ensure swift action against fraudulent websites.
Thank you, Chairman Sir, for giving me opportunity to raise an important issue. Chairman Sir, I rise to draw the attention of this August House to growing menace of cyber frauds targeting tourists in major tourist destinations such as Goa and several other states. In recent years, Goa has emerged as a major tourism hub and has also attracted digital nomads and remote workers. While this has helped the local economy, it has unfortunately led to sharp rise in online scams related to hotel and accommodation bookings and digital payment frauds. There have been several cases where fake hotels, holiday homes, homestays, and other accommodation are listed on online platforms. Fraudsters also create fake websites in the name of well-known hotels or booking portals. Tourists fall prey to these scams and on reaching Goa, discover that no such booking exists or that the hotel itself does not exist. This not only ruins the family holiday but also causes heavy financial losses as they are made to pay large advance amounts. Despite regular advisories, these fraudsters continue to resurface using fake websites, virtual mobile numbers, international internet calls, and anonymous digital platforms. Advisory warnings alone are not sufficient to deal with these organized gangs. There is an urgent need for strict measures. Tourist-related websites should be allowed to operate only after proper KYC verification. Website without verified credential should be identified, blocked, and immediately barred. Chairman Sir, this is a serious issue affecting tourist safety, causing financial losses running into hundreds of crores and damaging Goa's reputation as a safe tourism destination. In today's digital age, protecting tourists online is as important as ensuring their physical safety. Protecting the digital safety of tourists is essential to safeguard India's tourism economy and our global image. Chairman Sir, I urge the government to take strong action by enforcing strict norms and ensuring real-time monitoring and takedown of fraudulent platform. Thank you, sir.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.